When there were very few birds and no schools in sight, I do wonder if they know that today is the park run and people will be running by this section twice. So they may as well stay away. I can hear some birds, but there's none around in these trees. And the squirrels that are normally here aren't. So I do wonder if they know something is happening. Some people have been past already. It's not time yet, I don't think, for the first few runners to come through. Only set off at 9, it's now 5 past, but some have set off early. So there's already been runners down this path. So maybe they do hide out, because at the moment there's no squirrels to be found. None to be seen. Just beautiful woodland. And it looks like it'll be okay to be in there today. Sometimes it's too wet and muddy, but it's obviously we've had some good sunshine. So it'd be nice to be in there that part today.